Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna tell you about how to fix your fast boot problem in your Infinix device. It will be applicable in all Infinix devices. Friends, how you can fix this? You can see here it is written fast booted and you can see touch screen is not working. You can see. Friends, I am telling you in this way so your data will be safe and there is no harm in your photos, videos or document or any of your data. So first you can see here it is volume up and down button. To up down this you can see enter recovery mode, reboot to bootloader, power off. So first you have to click on reboot system now. You have to first go in this, then click on this power button, tap on one time and you can see it is now rebooted and it is restarting your device, and this will fix your fast boot problem. And friends, it is very easy and quick method, and this is how you can do it in very simple way, and it is now fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.